Hello, dear students. Hope you all are fine. We continue with idioms and phrases in today's lecture. To make idioms and phrases more interesting, I have categorized these idioms and phrases. Our first category is food idioms. In this, we will discuss the idioms which are based on food items. For example, our first idiom is a tough nut to crack. It is used in a situation when we face a very difficult problem. We face a situation that is difficult for us to handle. For example, the problem of how to motivate employees can be a tough nut to crack sometimes. Next is egg on my face. It is used when we feel embarrassed, when we realize that we had done something wrong. For example, I was completely wrong and now I had egg on my face. Next is very common idiom, icing on the cake. It is used for a bonus or for an additional benefit. For example, my new girlfriend is very intelligent. That she is beautiful is just icing on the cake. Next is bigger fish to fry. It means when you are busy with some other important things. For example, I can't help you with your presentation right now. I have bigger fish to fry. Next is a lot on plate. Means you are very busy, you have lot of work to do. For example, Lisa has a lot on her plate as she is the head of organization. All the tea in China means great wealth. You are not ready to do something at any cost. I wouldn't go out with him for all the tea in China means you are not ready to go with him at any cost. A bad egg. It is used for a person that cannot be trusted. For example, James is a bad egg. Don't trust him. Next is greatest thing since sliced bread. It is mainly used for an innovative development. For example, have you tried the new iPhone? It's the greatest thing since sliced bread. Next is brings home the bacon. It is used for someone who earns money for the family, who feeds the family. For example, my husband may not be the world's most glamorous guy, but he brings home the bacon. Next is a tough cookie. It is mainly used for a very determined person. Sentences. Our principal was a little lady, but she was one tough cookie. Next is a piece of cake. We have discussed it earlier also. It is used for a task that can be easily done. This project is a piece of cake for me, means this project is very easy for me. Piping hot means very hot. It is used for something that is very hot. Nothing tastes better than fresh rolls served piping hot. Next is rotten to the core means it is used for someone who is very evil, who is very bad. The sentence is Sam is rotten to the core. He steals, he lies, he is violent. I'm glad he is in prison. Next is very commonly used idiom sell like hot cakes. It is used for something that is selling very fast, that is selling very quickly. For example, the new Honda is expected to sell like hot cakes after it's released. Next is small potatoes. It is mainly used for something that is unimportant. For example, We should not waste our time on small potatoes. Let's start with the project. Next is from soup to nuts. It means everything. The sentence is Amazon started as a bookseller, but now they offer everything from soup to nuts. This means now Amazon is selling everything. Hit the spot. It is used when you feel satisfied with something. We went to Mark's Midtown for lunch. I had a grilled chicken sandwich and it really hit the spot. Next is in the pickle. It means when you are in need of help. The sentence is I'm really in a pickle. I spent all the money I had saved and I have no way to pay next semester's tuition bill. Next is nutty as fruitcakes means crazy. When things go crazy. For example, the kids are always nutty as fruitcakes when they have had something sugary to eat. Next is in a nutshell means to describe something to the point very briefly. For example, we have just got 5 minutes left. So does anyone want to give us their update in a nutshell? Next category is fruit idioms. First one is a bite at the cherry. It means a good opportunity. It is used to indicate a good golden opportunity. For example, they all wanted to bite at the cherry as the deal was profitable. Next is as red as a cherry. As the name indicate, it denote very red. Her cheeks were as red as a cherry. As American as apple pie. It is used for something which is typical American. For example, baseball is as American as apple pie. Next is a bad apple. It is used for dishonest person. One who cannot be trusted. For example, Tom is really a bad apple. Next is top banana. It is mainly used for boss or leader. For example, only the top banana can make a decision of that magnitude. Next is don't give a fig means when you don't care. The sentence is do whatever you want. I don't give a fig. Next category is dog idioms. First one is every man and his dog. It means many people. For example, every man and his dog wanted to interview me after I won the race. It means everybody wants my interview after I won the race. Next is fight like cat and dog means to fight continually. It is commonly used idiom. The sentence is those two fight like cat and dog. So please don't put them together on the project. Next is going to the dogs means becoming disordered. For example, this has always been a nice hotel, but it's going to the dogs. It means now it's becoming disordered. Next is puppies and rainbows. It is used for something very perfect. For example, at first my marriage was all puppies and rainbows, but then reality set in. Next is puppy dog eyes means a begging look. When you beg for something through your eyes. The sentence is I tried to be strict with my daughter, but when she looks at me with those puppy dog eyes, I buy her candy. Next category is cat idioms. First is a cat nap. It means a short sleep during the daytime. For example, I'm going to take a cat nap before my next shift starts. Next is very common idiom, to bell the cat. It means to do a very difficult task. For example, who will bell the cat and take on the job of reducing corruption in this country? Next is a cat on a hot tin roof all day. It is used when you are very nervous, when you are extremely nervous. The sentence is, she is waiting for the doctor to call with her test results. So, she's been like a cat on a hot tin roof all day. Next is, no room to swing a cat, means very small. The area is very small. The sentence is, many families are forced to live in tiny apartments that have no room to swing a cat. Thank you, dear students. Take care, stay safe.